Hello students, I am Ekta. Students, shapes are all around us in the world. We see them everywhere. From the windows in our houses to the buildings we live and work in. Shapes help us describe everything we see and use daily. Today, we will learn about polygons and 3D shapes, which are the basic building blocks of everything we see. Polygons are flat shapes with straight sides. For example, a triangle has 3 sides, a square has 4 sides, and a pentagon has 5 sides. You can see polygons in things like road signs, tiles, and even stars. 3D shapes, on the other hand, are solid shapes that take up space. These include cubes, cones, and spheres. You can see them in objects like dice, ice cream cones, and soccer balls. Let's learn more about these shapes and how they are part of our everyday life. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to learn the different types of polygons and their properties like sides and angles. Understand the characteristics of 3D shapes and how they are different from 2D shapes. Identify common real-life objects that are polygons or 3D shaped. Understand faces, edges, and vertices of 3D shapes and how they relate to real objects. Keywords from this lesson are polygons, triangle, quadrilateral, 3D shapes, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, faces, edges, vertices. Children, first let us know about polygons. A polygon is a closed, two-dimensional shape made up of straight lines. These shapes can have any number of sides, but the sides must not cross each other. Characteristics of polygons. Polygons have at least 3 sides. Example, triangle. The sides meet at vertices to form angle. The shape is closed, meaning all sides connect. Types of polygons based on sides. Triangle, 3 sides. Quadrilateral, 4 sides. Pentagon, 5 sides, etc. Regular versus irregular. Regular polygons. All sides and angles are equal. Example, square. Irregular polygons. Sides and angles are not equal. Example, rectangle. Examples in real life. Triangle, roofs, road signs. Pentagon, home plates in baseball. Hexagon, honeycomb cells. We can classify the polygons on the basis of their sides and vertices. Triangle. A triangle is a simple polygon with 3 sides and 3 interior angles. It is one of the basic shapes in geometry in which the 3 vertices are joined with each other. It is denoted by the symbol triangle. Quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. The word quadrilateral is derived from a Latin word in which quadra means 4 and lattice means sides. It should be noted that all 4 sides of a quadrilateral may or may not be equal. There are different types of quadrilaterals and they are uniquely identified on the basis of their distinct properties. Pentagon. A pentagon is a geometric 2-dimensional shape with 5 sides and 5 angles. This 5-sided shape has 5 straight sides and 5 interior angles which add up to 540 degrees. A pentagon can be regular. All sides and angles are equal. Or irregular sides and angles are not equal. Regular pentagons have interior angles measuring 108 degrees each. Pentagons are commonly found in nature and design, such as in starfish shapes or the structure of a soccer ball. Hexagon. A polygon having 6 sides is known as a hexagon. There are few types of hexagons, that is regular hexagon, irregular hexagon and concave hexagon. If all the sides of hexagon are equal and angles are the same, then the hexagon is called a regular hexagon. A hexagon has a total number of 9 diagonals. Heptagon. A heptagon is a 7-sided polygon that has 7 angles, 7 vertices and 7 edges. They may have the same or different dimensions of length. A heptagon has 7 interior angles and the sum of all interior angles is equal to 900 degrees. The sum of the exterior angles of a heptagon is equal to 360 degrees and this holds for both regular and irregular heptagons. Octagon. An octagon can be defined as a polygon with 8 sides, 8 interior angles and 8 vertices. All its interior angles sum up to 1080 degree and the sum of its exterior angles is 360 degree. 6 triangles can be formed in a regular octagon with the help of diagonals using a common vertex. There are 20 diagonals in an octagon. Nonagon. Nonagon is a polygon that has 9 sides, 9 interior angles and 9 exterior angles. A nonagon has 27 diagonals. The sum of the interior angles of a nonagon is 1260 degree and sum of the exterior angles of a nonagon is 360 degree. N-gon. An n-sided polygon is a closed geometric figure with n straight sides and n vertices. The sum of its interior angles is n-2 into 180 degree and each exterior angle is 360 degree by n. The sides are connected end to end and the interior angles meet at the vertices. Now let us know about three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional shapes, also called 3D shapes, have 3 dimensions: length, width and height. They occupy space and have volume, unlike flat 2D shapes. Examples include cubes, spheres and cylinders found in everyday objects. Some of the 3D shapes around us: cone, ice cream cone, cube, block, cuboid, matchbox, cylinder, glass, sphere, ball, pyramid, Rubik's in a pyramid shapes. Faces, edges and vertices. All the flat surfaces of the solid shape are called the faces of that figure. The line segment where the two faces meet with each other is called edge. The point where the two edges meet with each other is called vertex. Children, let us see few examples for number of faces, edges and vertices in some common 3D shapes. Cube. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Cuboid, 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Cone, 2 faces, 1 edges, 1 vertices. Sphere, 1 faces, 0 edges, 0 vertices. Cylinder, 3 faces, 2 edges, 0 vertices. Triangular based pyramid, 4 faces, 6 edges, 4 vertices. Triangular prism, 5 faces, 9 edges, 6 vertices. Rectangular prism, 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Points to remember. A polygon is a closed shape made of straight lines with at least 3 sides and no crossing lines. Triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons and hexagons are common polygons found in real life, like road sign and honeycomb. Three-dimensional shapes have length, width and height, like cubes, spheres and cones, and they occupy space. In 3D shapes, faces are flat surfaces, edges are lines where faces meet, and vertices are the points where edges meet. Polygons can be regular, all sides and angles equal, or irregular, sides and angles not equal, like squares and rectangles. Thanks for watching.